Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kasiano Easy Math. In this video I'm going to show you some tricks on how to multiply 2 or 3 digit numbers which are close to each other, or the difference of these two numbers is very small, and the other way around with numbers not so close to each other in value. So this is doable but a little more complicated. Here I'll show you the step-by-step method on how to do it. So let's do it. We're using here base 10, 20, 40, 100, 200 and so on. So let's start. So multiplying those two numbers I mentioned earlier, those two numbers close to each other in value, like let's say 21 multiplied by 17. 21 and 17 are close, and the other kind of numbers not so close are like 35 times 20. So the difference is kind of way to, it is 15, right? So that's what I mean. Alright, so let's say multiplying 18 by 23. So these numbers are close, so 18 and 23, right? So here we're using base 10, or let's say base 20, right? I said base 20 because this is 20. 23 is 20, right? 20 plus 3. And 18 is close to 20. So here, 18, since we're using base 20, 18 is how many numbers far away to 20? So that's 2, right? So this is 2 less than 20. And 23 is 3 points over 20. So the first part of our number is we add this together, negative 2 plus 23, or the other way around, plus 3 and plus 18. So 18 plus 3 I should say. So 18 plus 3 is 21, or the same way 23 plus minus 2 is 21. That's part of our answer. Second part of our answer is we multiply these numbers together. So negative 2 times 3. So this is 6, that's negative. And since this is 20, so we multiply by 20, right? 21 times 20. Or since this is 2 digits, so you put 0 right there and times 2. So this now becomes 210 times 2, that is 420. And then the product of these two numbers, 6, we subtract that, since negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So our answer here is 414. That's the answer for that. And so let's try another one. Let's say multiply 33 by 28. So here we're using base 30, right? Since this is 33, this is 28, they are close from each other. And 33 is 3 points over 30, and 28 is 2 points lower than 30. And first part of our answer is we're adding this together, or this together, this both. Alright, so adding 28 and 3, that is 31, right? Since this is a 2-digit number, multiply it by 10, so that is 310. And then this is base 30, so that means multiply this number by 3. And the second part of our answer is multiply these two numbers, right? So positive 3 times negative 2. Okay, so 310 times 3, that is 930. And then the second part of our answer is multiplying these two numbers. So positive 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. So that means we're subtracting it, right? So this is 924. That's the answer. And so let's try another one. Let's say 91 times 85. So 91 times 85. So these numbers are close to each other, 91 and 85, right? We're using base 90, alright? So this 91 is 1 point over 90, and 85 is 5 points below 90. So first part of our answer is adding these both, 1 and 85, or positive 91 and negative 5. 85 plus 1 is 86. That's the same way. 91 minus 5 is 86. And since we have two-digit number, so that means
multiply it by 10.
So we just add 0. And then multiply it by, this is base 90, right? 9. So multiply this by 9. And the second part of our answer is multiply these two numbers. So this will become 1 times negative 5, right? So that is negative 5 or minus 5. 860 times 9 is 0. 9 times 6, 54. Carry 5. 9 times 72 plus 5, 77. And we have here negative 5 or minus 5. So subtract 5 from 77, 40. So that is 77, 35. So that's the answer. So let's go to another one. Let's say 203 times 199. So now we have 3 digits, right? And our base now is 200, right? So these are both close to each other, 203 and 199. So we're taking base 200. So this is 3 points over 200. 199 is 1 point below 200. First part of our answer, add these two numbers together. This together or the other one is the same. So 199 plus 3 is 202. And since this is a 3-digit, we multiply it by 100, or we just add 2 zeros. And then since this is base 200 or 2, multiply this by 2. So this is equal to 40400. And the second part of our answer is multiply these two numbers, positive 3 and negative 1. So that is negative 3. So we just subtract 3 right there. So this becomes 40397. Our answer. So that's how we use this trick. This is base 200 or base 2. So let's do another one. Let's say 340 times 290. So that's 340 times 290. So now our base is 300, right? And 290 is close to 340. So this is 40 points over 30. So that's plus 40. 40 points over 300, I should say. And this one right here is 10 points below 300. So that's minus 10. Okay, first part of our answer. Add this both. 290 plus 40. That is 330. 3-digit number, so multiply it by 100 or just add 2 zeros. And this is base 300, so multiply by 3. So this is now 33,000 times 3, that is 99,000. Second part of our answer, multiply these two. So negative 10 times 40, so that is negative 400. So that is minus 400. So 98,600. That's our answer. Now we're dealing with numbers which are not so close from each other, like the difference between these two numbers are way bigger. Alright, so let's say multiplying 123 times 65. This is a 2-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. And now let's find a base. So our base is 100. Okay, so this is now 23 points over 100. And this is 35 below 100, right? So that is minus 35. So first part of our answer is add this both or the other way around, these two. So 65 plus 23 is 88. And 3-digit number multiply it by 100 and just add 2 zeros. That's the same way. And then second part of our answer is multiply these two numbers right here. So 23 times 35. And so the other way to do this is like multiplying 20 by 35 and 3 times 35, right? That's a little trick. So 35 times 20 is 70, add 0, 700, and 35 times 3, that's 105. So add these both, that's 805. And since the 35 here is negative, so this must be negative. We're subtracting this number from 8,800. So we have 8,800 minus 805. So that's 5, 9, 7 is 9, 79.95. That is our answer. That's all for now, and thanks for watching, guys. I would appreciate if you can share this video to your friends or classmates. And if you have not subscribed yet, I would appreciate if you can hit that like button and subscribe. And drop some comments in the comment section below. I would appreciate it very much. Thank you all. Have a good one. I will see you on my next videos. Bye.